In this video, we will discuss using the library's catalog. We will go over logging into your account, searching for items, and placing holds, as well as navigating your account. First, we'll talk about finding the catalog and logging into your account. The library's catalog can be found on our website, rosevillelibrary.org. It will be on the right side under the information banner. Click Search Catalog. This is the library catalog. You can also search this page on the dedicated catalog computers at the library. You can log into your account at the top of the page by clicking Login. You can also log in right from the library's website by clicking Log into Account. In the first box, type in your library card number. This is the 14-digit number under the barcode on your card. In the second box, type in your 4-digit PIN number. This is the number you picked. If you have a card from another SLC library, you can still log into your account using the Roseville catalog. Now we'll discuss how to reset your PIN. If you do not remember your PIN number, you can reset it by clicking Forgot My PIN. You will then put in your library card number and click Submit. You will be sent an email to the email address on file with your account. The email will have a reset link. If you cannot use this method, you can go to the library with your library card and ID and we will reset the PIN for you. In your email, you will find a message titled PIN Reset. Open the email and click the link that says Reset Your PIN. You will then put in your library card number in the first box and type your new 4-digit PIN in the second box, then repeat the PIN in the third box. Now that your PIN has been successfully reset, you can click OK and you will be logged into your library account. On the left side of the screen, you will see links to the library's website, our Facebook page, and the digital archive. Also on the left side of the screen, there are links to new items in the collection. On the right side of the screen, you will see links for Melcat, Overdrive and Libby, Tutor.com, and the Michigan Activity Pass. Next, we'll talk about searching the catalog. At the top of the catalog, you can search your search term, like subject, title of book, or author. If you want to narrow your search, you can click Advanced Search. In the Advanced Search page, you can put in the terms you want to search, terms you don't want, language, format, item type, or library. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Advanced Search. The search term Circe returned many results. This was the book I was looking for, but I need to make sure that it's the right format. The first one is large print, the next two are digital books and audio books. The fourth one looks like what I'm looking for. Now click Show More to see a full list of copies that are owned by all libraries in the cooperative. We can see that Roseville does not own a copy of the book. We can also see the libraries that do own copies, how long the checkout period is, the call number of the book, and whether the book is available. Now we'll talk about how to place a hold. Since there's not a copy at Roseville, place a hold on the book to request it from another library. Click Place Hold on the right side of the title that you want. Next, you want to choose the pickup library. This will be where your book is sent. You can send it to Roseville or any library where you can pick it up. Once you have placed your hold, click OK. Now we will discuss navigating your library account. To access your account, click My Account at the top of the catalog. In the Personal Information tab, you will see your name, address, phone number, and email. If any of the information is incorrect or out of date, please go to the library to update your account. Remember that your card expires every 3 years, and you should verify your contact information every time you renew your card. In the Change PIN tab, you can change your PIN number. You will put in your current PIN in the first box, then your new 4-digit PIN in the second and third box. Click Update. In Preferences, you can choose how you want to view your account, as well as your default pickup library. If you click Show My Checkout History, it will allow the system to keep a record of past checkouts after they have been returned. This option only started in spring 2021, so records will only go back that far, and will only show items returned after you checked the box. In the Checkouts tab, you can see what books you have currently checked out, both digital and physical. This will also show you the current due date. You can renew items you have checked out a maximum of 2 times. The times renewed column will tell you how many times the title has already been renewed. If another patron has a hold on the title, you will not be able to renew the item. You must return the item and place a new hold if you want to check it out again. The system will auto-renew your item 2 days before the due date if there is no holds. After clicking Renew, click Yes to renew your item. You will then see the note that your item has been successfully renewed. It will now have 1 in the Times Renewed column, and there will be a new due date. In Checkout History, you will see the items that you have previously checked out and returned to the library. This is visible because of the checked box in the Personal Information tab under Preferences. In Holds, you will see your digital holds and your library or physical holds. Your digital holds are holds placed on ebooks and audiobooks through the catalog. If you placed a hold through Overdrive or Libby, it will not show up here. Your library holds are holds placed on physical items. You can see the status of your hold, where you are picking it up, and your place in line. If it says pending, your hold is not ready yet. You can also suspend your hold if you're not ready for it or you know you will be unable to pick it up when it becomes available. Select the date you want to end the suspension of your hold. Click Suspend. While your hold is suspended, you will keep your place in line. If you are next in line, you will receive it after the current person is done, after the suspension ends, so it could still be 3 weeks after the suspension ends. The hold is now suspended, which is reflected in the status. The place in line stays the same. You can also cancel holds or edit your pickup location at any time. If your item is already available and you want to change the pickup location, please call the original pickup library and ask that they change the location. This will delay your hold for a few days as it gets shipped back for sorting before going to the new pickup location. In the Fines tab, you will see any fines from overdue or missing items. Current fines are fines on materials that you have already returned. You can pay these via card on your account or via cash in person at the library. Accruing fines are fines that you currently are accumulating for titles you have not returned. You will continue to receive more fines each day. You cannot pay these fines until you have returned the item. Remember that your account will be blocked if you have more than $10 in fines. You will not be able to check out more items or use library computers until you have paid enough of your fines to remove the block. When you are done, make sure to click Log Out at the top of the catalog to sign out of your account. This is especially important if you are logged into your account on one of the library's catalog computers. If you have any questions, you can contact the library via phone at 586-445-5407, via email at rsvlibraryservice@roseville-mi.gov, or via Facebook or Instagram messaging. You can also stop by in person whenever the library is open.